In today's video, I am going to teach you how to list CJ dropshipping products to Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin and head to the Shopify App Store. Make sure you have the CJ dropshipping app installed and connected to your store, since that connection is what allows products to be pushed directly into Shopify. Once you are inside the CJ app, go to the CJ catalog and search for a product you want to sell. Take your time here, because the product you choose affects shipping speed, customer satisfaction, and your profit. Use the search bar or browse categories and look closely at the images and basic description so you pick the correct item. When you find a product that looks like a good fit, click on it to open the product details. This is where you quickly confirm the key information before listing. Review the title, variant options like size or color, and any important notes about the product. If there are multiple versions that look similar, double-check that you open the exact one you want. Next, click the List button. This starts the process of sending the product into Shopify. You will then set your store by selecting your Shopify store from the available options. If you manage more than one store, pause and confirm you have selected the right one so the product does not appear in the wrong storefront. After that, choose your shipping method. Pick a method that matches the delivery experience you want to offer. Faster shipping can help conversions, while cheaper shipping may improve margins. Also keep consistency in mind because customers appreciate predictable delivery times. Now set your price for each variant. This is where you build in your profit margin. Consider the product cost, shipping cost, and any store expenses. Make sure each variant is priced correctly, since different sizes or colors can have different costs. Finally, click List It Now to push the product to your Shopify store. Give it a moment to sync, then check your Shopify products area to confirm it appeared. You can still fine-tune the product title, description, and images later, but the listing is now created and ready for your store. And that is all there is to it.